How to make the water blue in your water fountain. A fountain, all on its own, adds a sense of beauty and tranquility to your yard. When you add additional touches, like sparkling blue water, your fountain can transform from a decorative accent to a scene-stealing focal point. Different techniques can make your fountain's water look blue. Pond dye. To control algae in a pond, some people use an organic, non-toxic blue pond dye to help prevent growth. This same pond dye is what gives decorative fountains their rich blue color. The dye won't harm birds, pets or people. To use pond dye in the fountain, add it at 1/2 the recommended strength for ponds to start, then gradually add more until you achieve the color you want. Be warned that blue fountain water can stain anything it touches over time. It also affects how colored lights look. Pool tint and food dye. Pool tint is a novelty product designed to change the color of the water in your pool for special events. It lasts anywhere from 3 to 5 days and is a good solution if you just want your fountains to look blue for a special event. It's also non-toxic and it won't stain its surroundings. For small fountains, you can also use food coloring, but you'll need a lot of food coloring to maintain the blue look. Food coloring also stains surfaces and skin. Because some people have allergies to food dyes, use this with caution. Visual tricks. If it's the resting water in the basin of your fountain that you're concerned with, you can achieve the appearance of blue water with a few tricks. You can paint the inside of the fountain with pool-grade blue paint to create the illusion of blue water. Instead of paint, you can use tile or mosaic treatments inside your pond's basin. These have the added effect of another layer of visual interest. Changing the color of the inside of your fountain basin won't do much to change any water that cascades up or out of your fountain. Lighting. The right lighting can completely transform your fountain. By placing different colored lights in and around your pond, it can make the water that rests in your fountain, as well as the water that comes out of it, a variety of colors. High-tech lights include lights that twinkle and lights you can control with your smartphone. This solution works best at night and it can also be costly, especially if you hire a lighting designer, but a few inexpensive LED lights placed in the right way can also help give your fountain a blue look. Fountain lighting does require a power source, so keep that in mind as you plan.